Hey everyone, today I want to talk about a feature that's really important for sellers who want to protect their confidential information, the NDA feature on SideProjectors. If you're selling a project and you're worried about sharing sensitive details with potential buyers, this video will explain exactly how our NDA system works and how it protects you. For those who aren't familiar, NDA stands for Non-Disclosure Agreement. It's a legal document that prevents someone from sharing confidential information you disclose to them. When you're selling a project, buyers often want to see detailed information, revenue numbers, customer lists, proprietary process, maybe even source code. But you don't want that information getting out to competitors or the public. An NDA creates a legal obligation for buyers to keep that information confidential. It's not bulletproof protection, no NDA is, but it adds a real layer of accountability and discourages people from misusing what you share. Let me walk you through how to set up an NDA for a project. Here, I just submitted a project, and you'll see this option, Enable NDA Signing to protect your project. So click on the blue link. Please note that NDA is a paid feature. It costs $20 per project for unlimited signings. Your NDA setup must be approved by our team first. Once it's approved, you'll need to complete the payment before NDA signing is active for your project. On the next page, you'll need to provide your full name, company name if applicable, and your address. You can also choose when the NDA needs to be signed. NDA can be signed before a potential buyer can contact you, or an NDA can be signed before the project is actually viewed. On the next page, you'll see a draft copy of your NDA that you can review, and you can scroll down to provide your digital signature and click Save. You can do another review, and once you're happy, you can submit for admin approval. Once your NDA request is approved by our admin, you will receive an email. An email will contain a link which will lead you to this payment page. And you click the button and it will take you to a Stripe payment page. Here I'm logged in as a different user, and this is the project that I submitted. You'll see this icon on the top left-hand side that it is an NDA enabled project. I will click on this and I will contact the owner, and it will take me to the NDA page. And I have to fill this out: full name, company name if applicable, address, and a digital signature as a potential buyer, so that I can view the project. So I fill that out, submit, review, and now I can see project details. And now I should be able to contact the owner. Here I'm back to the user who posted the project, and I can see the user just signed the NDA, and I can view the NDA. So to recap, the NDA feature adds a layer of legal protection when you're sharing sensitive information with potential buyers. It costs $20 per project, requires admin approval, and every buyer who contacts you will need to sign. It's not bulletproof, but it's a smart step for anyone selling a project with confidential details they want to protect. If you're interested, head to your project settings and look for the NDA option. And as always, if you have questions, reach out through our contact page. Thanks for watching.